Ever been on a camping trip and wished you could wash your clothes without hauling them to a laundromat? Well, I've got something that's going to blow your mind. Meet the portable 12-volt camping washing machine, your new best friend for outdoor adventures. Think of it as your tiny personal laundromat that runs right off your car or RV battery. It's compact enough to fit in your trunk, but powerful enough to keep your clothes fresh when you're off the grid. No more wearing the same sweaty hiking shirt for days or letting dirty clothes pile up in your tent. The best part? It uses minimal water and power, making it perfect for eco-conscious campers. Whether you're living the van life or just enjoying a weekend in nature, this little machine is a total game changer. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever camped without it. Click the product link in the description or in bio